Hey friends, and in this video, I'm going to tell you what and how you absolutely need to fertilize your currants no matter what kind you're growing. White currant, black currant, or gooseberry. And it's preferable to do this feeding before flowering. But if your currant or gooseberry is already blooming or has bloomed and you have not done any fertilizing, then be sure to do this fertilizing. It'll help the bushes, first of all, grow a large green mass. The leaves will become bigger and greener, which will contribute to better photosynthesis. The plant will be able to absorb more nutrients from the soil, resulting in increased crop yield. And this division will promote the growth of new branches as well as new shoots. Your bushes will be refreshed. And in this state, I always do the first pruning of currants. It's also a good idea to mulch the soil under the currant bush to help retain moisture, as currants are very moisture-loving plants. And I prepare fertilizers like this. I am going to need some chicken feed for this. I fill a liter jar with it and add it to 10 liters of water. So I leave it for approximately 2 hours so that the granules completely dissolve in the water. Then after 2 hours, I mix this fertilizer well and we prepare to concentrate. And for feeding the currants, we'll need to take just half a liter and add it to 10 liters of water, and then we go and feed the currants. If the soil under your currant is very dry, then beforehand, just in 2 hours, water your currant, and then after 2 hours, when the fertilizer is ready, we do the feeding. We pour approximately 5 liters of this fertilizer underneath each bush. This will be sufficient. And you have the option to repeat the same feeding process in 15 days following the initial one. And this is organic fertilizer, packed with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen increases green mass, contributing to better photosynthesis, and the assimilation of other fertilizers. The phosphorus in this fertilizer will promote the growth of a large root system, contributing to the rejuvenation of the cabbage. New young shoots will start to grow in it, so folks, definitely do this feeding. Your crops will be big and bountiful, and with them the harvest will be plentiful and sweet. If anyone has questions, feel free to ask in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a like, share this video with friends. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new video releases. Wishing you a successful day. See you in the next video.